Hello, friends. What is that?
I thought I'd try some new music. Don't like it?
Don't like it.
Fine.
Hello, friends. This is the Loon News. It's the news for the radical right wing, the way the radical right wing wants to hear it. First up, the Occupy Myrtle Beach crowd was out in force at the South Carolina GOP debate.
Occupy what?
Myrtle Beach.
Myrtle who?
Beach.
What's a beach? A Myrtle Beach?
You is a beach.
So you say.
Walking the streets chanting, "We are the 99%. We are the 99%. Oops, they misplaced the decimal point. We are the 9.9%.
Dummy.
It's beyond me why they would walk around the streets yelling out their IQ for everyone to hear.
You said they were streetwalkers?
Next up, an Iranian toy company is making plastic model toys of the drone that was lost 2 weeks ago by the U.S. The drone that Barack Hussein Obama whined to Ahmadinejad. Please give it back. Please give it back. Well, the toy company is more than happy to help Obama out.
Oh, really?
The first toy drone in pink plastic
Your
being
favorite
produced
color?
will be sent out to the White House as a gift to Barack Hussein Obama.
I bet you Michelle will play with it.
And now, a word from our sponsor. We have one, right?
You've seen the shows with criminals on the run from the law? Well, this is not that. This is America's Least Wanted. These are people so unloved as to be confined to the annals of public invisibility. Past Least Wanteds include the Captain Antonino, David Cassidy, and Edwin Muskie.
Who?
Exactly. Our Least Wanteds come from the worlds of entertainment, literature, sports, microphilosophic engineering, and of course politics. This season's inductees include Al Gore, the guy from Twilight.
Who?
Exactly. Barbara Streisand and John Huntsman. So tune in Thursday nights at 2 a.m. for America's Least Wanted, a Quinn Martin production.
Who?
Exactly.
Sometimes I think Lester should be on that show. You want to go all triple X on us. Now, here's one from our Only in Los Angeles file.
Oh, it's gotta be about a Mexican.
A woman was arrested in a McDonald's parking lot for soliciting customers at the drive-thru in exchange for buying her chicken McNuggets in exchange for sex.
Ooh, yeah, big boy.
The,
McNuggets.
the Loon News asked Bill Bubba Clinton his thoughts on this, and he stated he was appalled.
He was appalled? Appalled who?
Okay, Thesaurus, what's the equivalent of appalled? He was shocked and dismayed. He would not have accepted any favors for less than a Big Mac with cheese and fries on the side. He said that McNuggets only demeaned the woman.
Only on a blue dress.
And finally,
Finally.
Barack Hussein Obama is making a trip to Disney World to make a major announcement about a new White House strategy to boost tourism and travel.
Oh boy, Disney World, yes sir.
Obama will make the announcement standing with dozens of Disney characters including Mickey Mouse, Donald Duck, and a host of 500 illegal aliens who already have taken advantage of Obama's open border tourism strategy.
We Mexicans going to come to Disney World for a free vacation.
And that does it for the Loon News. The news for the radical right wing, the way those radical right wings like it.
I said it before and I'll say it again. Abso-freaking-lutely.